Most people assume all online banks are the same, but here's the surprising truth. The right bank can save you money, time, and stress. Today I'm giving you an honest review of Chase UK Online Bank and what to expect before signing up. Chase UK is a digital-first bank offering checking accounts, savings, and payment solutions. The bank focuses on simplicity, convenience, and tech-driven features. The account setup is fast. You download the app, verify your identity with documents, and a selfie, and your account is ready to use in minutes. Most people get this wrong, but digital banking isn't just about convenience, it's about control. Chase UK gives instant notifications for spending, easy transfers, and intuitive budgeting tools. You won't believe what happens next. Opening multiple accounts or sub-accounts for saving goals is seamless, making personal finance easier to manage. The app also supports international payments, contactless cards, and virtual cards for secure online transactions. These features are ideal for frequent travelers or online shoppers. Now the downsides. Interest rates for savings are competitive, but not the highest. Customer support is fully online, which may not suit everyone. Also, the bank doesn't have physical branches, so cash deposits can be tricky. So who should use Chase UK? Digital-savvy users who prefer app-based banking, want quick account management, and value real-time notifications. But if you rely heavily on in-person services, a traditional bank may work better. The surprising truth about Chase UK is that it's designed for control and clarity, not flashy perks. If you adapt to digital-first banking, it can make your financial life much simpler. If this review helped you understand what to expect, subscribe for more honest online banking insights before opening a new account.